So HiDock has the world's first portable recorder that connects to your Bluetooth earphones to do all of the recording, whether it's for work meetings, school lectures, or just in your daily life when you have that idea and you want to talk it through. This is the HiDock P1, and it might be just what you're looking for.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you do like gadgets and gear and random stuff like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button if you can. That does help out a lot. Now, HiDock did send this to me, and they're sponsoring this video so that I can learn all the features, test it out, and share this with you guys. And if you are interested in something like this, I will put the links down in the description. And this is the P1 right here, the same color scheme as the dock, but obviously much smaller. But check out this design. It has USB-C for charging and data transfer. You also have a power button on this side. You can hold down to power it on. You have mics on the front and the back and the top. So 2 6 ECM microphones capturing any speaking from all directions, engineered for precision and clarity. The HiDock uses a dual core neural audio processor with the world's first bi-directional noise cancellation. This will filter out any background noises from both ends of the conversation and using AI algorithms to make the sound crystal clear. It has 64 gigabytes of built-in storage and a 600 milliamp hour battery, and it supports up to 8 hours of continuous recording and 1,000 hours of storage. There is a cool little handle on the top, and the back is magnetic, so you can put it on your whiteboard or put it on your refrigerator if you need to just set it somewhere to record the conversation. And now on the front of it, you have your main buttons. There is a red button which enables that B and C, so perfect if you wanted to record a meeting in a coffee shop that had a lot of background noise. And a dial wheel for volume control, but also you can push it to enter whisper mode in case you're somewhere where you needed to be quiet but also wanted to take those notes. You have a button to hold down and start recording, and then you have a mute button to mute the microphone and a button to answer calls, so if someone calls in, you can answer it right there. Now, what sets this apart from any other recorders on the market is this one right here. You can record seamlessly with your earphones and then transcribe and summarize anytime or anywhere. And let's say you put your earphones on, you can just press it once to change it to come over to this. And then when you're done, you can press it again and disconnect your earphones from that. And yes, this also means that you can use this seamlessly with your virtual meetings. So if you have a Zoom call, you can be wearing your earphones and this will actually pick up everyone else on that call, and it will transcribe and summarize exactly what everyone's saying as well. You can choose from 3 modes. There's call mode for those two-way conversations where you can use your Bluetooth earphones, perfect for the Zoom call or video call meetings. And this is also great with their B&C noise cancellation. So even if you are having a meeting in a busy office or something like that, it'll just focus on everything that you're saying and what your group is saying right there in that meeting. It'll transcribe the speech and text instantly while summarizing conversations, so you can recall discussions, manage those tasks, just save you a lot of time and boost your productivity. There's room mode for ambient audio. This operates without any need for earphones, just using those microphones to capture audio from all directions. So if you're doing an interview or brainstorming with a team, or just like a meeting in a boardroom, just making sure everybody is heard clearly. But then they have this clever one that's whisper mode. So again, you hold down this button, it enters in whisper mode, and if you're like in a busy area, maybe you're on a bus and it's really quiet and you don't want to talk out loud, you have personal details you want to talk about or personal private thoughts that you want to get out on this, you could just talk right into the microphone and say what you need to say nice and close into it, really quiet. And the high note system will still pick up everything that you're saying clearly. So it doesn't matter if you're whispering, if you're embarrassed to say things in front of people. It's just a great way to capture any of those things in any environment. It can also transcribe over 75 languages. Maybe you're doing some international travel and you're in a room full of people that speak a different language. You can record it, it will transcribe it for you, and you can get that transcription, read it out, or even just see the summary of it and know what task you need to do. And with the high notes, it has over 20 different templates as well, so you can actually take that information and make it look really professional, like really quickly. So to me, this is perfect for that business professional. You're in a meeting with your boss and your colleagues, you're recording everything, and then minutes after the meeting, you can get everything transcribed and summarized, and you can actually email that out to everyone, and that would actually be very impressive for them to see. But not even just those real life meetings, but the virtual ones as well. So that's the HiDock P1 right there. Check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. And if you want to see the HiDock H1 video that I did, this thing was really cool as well. I'll put a link to that right here and you can check that out, or I'll put some other really cool desk accessory videos up on the screen. So if you want to see some other cool products, you can check out those. So click one of those and I'll see you there. Thanks again.